Hi there. Quite a while ago, I posted something about using connectors or rough-in connectors to deal with plumbing fixtures that are in a linked file so that I can connect pipe and or electrical equipment that would tie to disconnects rather than directly to the piece of equipment. And again, this is focusing on the idea of linked architectural models containing elements that really need to be modeled in the Revit MEP model as well. Now, I'm going to deal with a very specific thing, showing or seeing plumbing fixtures in an architectural model after having either provided rough-in connectors or copy monitored plumbing fixtures in based on a question I got from a client. If I go to a floor plan here, for example, I've got a toilet that's visible in the view clearly, and the request is, Steve, I don't remember how to hide those things. I don't want to see them anymore. So if I go to visibility graphics, that's the key. Each of the views that you're going to set up for this purpose to hide their elements, I can say straight here at plumbing fixtures, if I turn this off, the liability is that this is affecting not only their plumbing fixtures, but mine. So I'm going to lose everybody's. That's not going to work. So if I go to Revit links, I find that there's a building file listed here, and if I had multiple copies, I have an instance for each copy listed underneath the definition. At this level, all I really need to deal with is the override possibility by linked view, which happens to be the setting that I was using in this file. Typically, it would say by host view. If I use the custom setting, now I can drill into the model categories and override this setting to be custom as well, which gives me the same access I had a moment ago, but now I'm dealing with the linked file only, not my own plumbing fixture categories. If I click OK, no plumbing fixtures. I only see my own stuff. I see my rough-in connectors for the sink and the toilet. Now, if the architectural file is using Worksets, a different option is available to us as well, and deciding which is appropriate depends on the project and what's done in the architectural model. But if I turn plumbing fixtures back on, let's say they've got a variety of elements and they aren't just plumbing fixtures as a category, they've put some other things in there as well. Worksets are now extended to have a little bit more control over what's going on. I can adjust the Workset tab, assign it to custom, and then turn off this plumbing workset that was nicely provided to me by my architectural model. Click OK, and now any element that's been assigned to this plumbing workset is turned off. So not just plumbing fixtures in this case, it could be other stuff related to plumbing in the architectural model. So two approaches on a view-by-view basis using visibility graphics gets me where I want to go. It's a bit of a task to turn that stuff off, but I do get the control that you need. So again, visibility controls, either using overriding the model categories of the link or going into the worksets if worksets have been prepared in such a way that it lends itself to taking advantage of it. So hope that helps.